Dear students and educators, warm welcome from Youth Ideathon Team 2024. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about how you can submit your idea on our portal on youthideathon.in. So for that, I'm going to share a screen sharing with you all, so it will be a better understanding for all of us. So first, this is our website, the home screen of the website, so where I hope you can see submit your ideas there. So for this, you need to search it out www.youthideathon.in. After that, you can see the home screen will be open and you have to select submit your idea. So after selecting submit your idea, so this is the page which will be reloaded. And so first they'll be asking about basic student information. So for that, first you need to select a state, city, and then your school. And if in case your state and city doesn't belong to this, so you can select others. Option is also available there. You can select others. And after that, you can mention your school name and city here in case your school is not in the list. And please try to follow this format, which is given here in the brackets. So it will be, easier for us also. And after that, you can select your category as well. You are in junior category or senior. As mentioned, junior is 4 to 8 and senior is 9 to 12. After that, I have already filled up a form for you all for it will be easier for you to select it. So as we can see, I have selected Delhi, and Delhi Public School, and the category my category is the senior category. And after that, the team details, which I have filled it, you can see it out. Student one, team details, I have filled it. First is I have written the name, I have typed student email ID and the contact number and the parent's name, parent's email ID and parent's mobile number. After that, you need to select, the class of team one member who is there. He is in class 10. And next is the student two. I have filled all the details, required details, which have been asked about it. And after that, the grade of the class, the grade of the team two member. And next is the student, third participant, team member. I filled all the details of him. After that, there are student 5 and student 4. So these are optional. Like if it's up to you, you're going with the 3 members in a team or 4 members or 5 members. So minimum is the 3 members should be there in team and maximum is 5 members should be there in the team. It's up to you. You can fill up the details. After that, there is a mentor details which has been asked and that is optional for you. So I have filled out the details. It's totally optional for you. If you want to fill it, you can. If you don't want to, that's not an issue. After that, the main things arrive here. So this is about the idea details for which we guys are filling up the form and we are participating in this youth ideathon. So first is the idea details. So first, it has been asked like, where did you get this idea from? So there are other options available here. So it has been asked from where did you have gotten your idea? So that up to you. You can mention it out from your family or from your friends, or you have faced any problem about it, or you have read something like book or internet. So I have selected book or internet. And after that, it asks that your idea is on which stage. So you have to mention that your idea is totally on which stage. It is on the idea stage, it is on the user research stage. So I've just mentioned that my idea is on the idea stage currently. After that, it asks like you see all your resources have been after 3 years, where did you see your idea belongs to and how many people are going to use it? So I've selected 1,000 people. So, it's just an example I've selected. It's totally up to you. You can just think it about it. And after that, so this time there are 2 categories. There are 2 tracks. Categories are junior and senior. 2 tracks are there. First track is our innovation and second is our entrepreneurship. So that you have select innovation. Now, what is innovation? Innovation is building something new. So you can select if your idea is like about, building something new, you can select that. And second is our entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship means making a business. So you can select that as well. So here I've, selected innovation as a category and innovation as a track. So first, after that, what happens? After selecting the track, it's asked about idea theme. So what is, the idea belongs to which theme you have to mention that. So first is our Indian heritage knowledge system and second is our technology, sustainability and GIS. So Indian heritage and knowledge system belongs to our Indian ancient times and the cultures, Indian cultures you can mention if your idea belongs to that. Technologies, maybe we can say there are robotics, there are AI, and there are drones, and there are cloud computing. You can mention that if your idea belongs to that part. And next is sustainability, the anything which you do for society. And GIS and remote sensing and mapping technology. If your idea belongs to this, so you can select that. And in case if your idea doesn't belong to any of the category, any of the themes, so you can select that my idea doesn't fit any of the above. So that's totally okay. And next we come to what is it, what is it great idea? Why is it great idea? So you can select that it solves a problem faced by many people. You have to select any one of the option which is, which is suitable for your idea. After that, we come to the next step, which is describe your idea in brief, and the maximum should be 300 characters only. So you have to, just mention, you have to brief about your idea in 300 characters. After that, so there are awards as well. Has your idea won any award in these competitions or what? So you can totally mention it if there is anything. So you can click it out, and if there is no option available, like you haven't been in any of any of the category, any of the awards, you haven't win it. So that's not an issue. So this is not the mandate part. You can skip it as well. And it also says like if you have been referred by any via intern and ambassador, please mention the name and school. If it is there, you can mention. If it is not there, so that's you can just write on not applicable. By submitting this form, I agree to the user agreement. You have to be, I agree here, and you have to click on the thing submit. So now it says, thank you for your message. It has been sent. So it means now our idea has already been submitted. So I hope you all have understood this very well. So thank you everyone for, joining and learning about the idea submission process. So we look forward to receiving your innovation idea and working together to bring it into a real life. Have a great day. Thank you.